Okay, you guys, welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and good old Southern home cooking and baking. Don't forget, tonight we are whipping up a dish that is so good. You will have people coming back for more. This is a pasta dish, chicken pasta dish, and it's very easy to put together. And I want to share it with you guys. It's an easy weeknight meal, budget friendly. You're going to love it. So let's go ahead and go on in the kitchen, which we're already here, and get started. All right, y'all, come on.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
All right, y'all. So the first thing that we're doing is we're heating our water up in this pot right here. And I have it on 6. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And we'll let that heat up, and then we will add our penne pasta in there. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and drizzle some organic olive oil in our pan right here and heat that up. Okay, y'all. I hope everybody's doing great today, being blessed, staying healthy. Y'all, so my recipe does call for fresh garlic, and y'all don't be afraid of fresh garlic. Don't be afraid of it. If you use fresh garlic, it's more poignant than the jar, and it is just so good in Italian dishes, especially pastas. So we are going to take 5 nice size cloves of fresh garlic, and we are going to mince these in our little garlic press. All right, y'all. I am just peeling the cloves of garlic. I only do about 5 of them. But yeah, like I was saying, there is nothing hard about garlic. I remember there was a time where I always bought it already minced, and I am so glad I started using fresh garlic. And I love my little mini garlic press too. It's amazing. Works amazing. The only thing about it is your fingers do get sticky peeling the garlic, but I mean, just wash them off, you know. But I love the smell of fresh garlic. I just love it. All right, y'all. We have had our water come to a boil, a soft boil, not a hard rolling boil. And you all saw me add some salt to that. I always use the pink Himalayan salt, or I will use the Mediterranean salt. Very rarely do I use iodized salt anymore. But we are going to add our penne pasta to this, and we only want to cook it until it's a little bit, just a little bit past al dente. Do now is we're going to take our free range chicken breast, and we are going to dice that up. This is already skinless and boneless. And for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I paid $13.71. Alrighty, y'all. We have added some pink Himalayan salt and some coarse ground black pepper. Um, and now I'm going to come in with the Fireside Spicy Italian. And you're going to want to do about a tablespoon and a half of that seasoning. And then we're going to just stir that up really good and finish browning up our chicken. Okay, y'all, we're going to add some more seasonings now. So we're going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. You want to do about a little over a tablespoon. And then we're going to come in with our garlic powder, and you're going to do half a tablespoon of garlic powder. And then after the garlic powder, we're going to come in with our Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning, and you're going to do a teaspoon of that seasoning. All right, y'all. Now we have been dicing up one medium yellow onion in behind the scenes. So we are going to start adding that to our heated olive oil a little at a time. You do want to caramelize your onion. Once you get enough onion in there, which I did 3/4 of a medium yellow onion. Once you do that, you're going to add your 5 cloves of minced garlic that you did. And you're going to toss these around with the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, just until that onion is caramelized and the garlic is a little bit roasted. After that, you can add your chicken back in. Okay, y'all. Now we are going to add our Mazzetta marinara sauce, and you are going to use the whole jar. I did also add water to it, and I shook it up to get all the marinara out and added that in later as well. I also used I think it was oh my gosh, I can't even remember, y'all. I think it was the Simply Ragu. I added a little bit of regular tomato sauce to it, and then we stirred that up. We add our penne pasta and all of that into it. Okay, so once you get all your penne pasta in there, you want to get that broken up and stirred up in there really well, mix it up really well. You can add some olive oil to your penne pasta to make it easier to maneuver around in the sauce, but just make sure you get everything well coated. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to start incorporating our chicken back into the dish. So when we start doing that, we're going to mix the chicken up gradually. Y'all, now we are going to take a cup and a half to 2 cups of washed spinach. You don't have to remove the stems. And we are going to add that into our chicken penne pasta and let it cook down. If you want more spinach than that, that's fine. You can add more spinach. But we went with a cup and a half to 2 cups.